Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, gRPC Microservices in Go, written by Hussein Babal.
This book serves as a guide for developers new to Go or microservices, experienced professionals looking to update their knowledge, engineering managers seeking best practices, and software architects in need of design examples for new products or features. This section introduces the concept of Go gRPC microservices, highlighting their advantages over traditional REST services and discussing when it's best to use them. Go is particularly effective for building high-performance, cloud-native distributed applications, and many companies have adopted gRPC for its efficiency in service communication. gRPC, developed by Google, offers features like load balancing, fault tolerance, and security, and is known for its ability to generate server and client stubs for various languages. Microservices architecture allows for the development of small, independent services that can be scaled and deployed separately. gRPC addresses many challenges of microservices, such as network failures and secure communications. It offers several advantages. Performance. gRPC uses protocol buffers and HTTP2, which provide efficient message serialization and advanced features like multiplexing and header compression, resulting in better performance and security compared to REST. Code generation and interoperability. gRPC facilitates the sharing of request and response models across services in different languages by automatically generating client stubs, ensuring cross-platform performance. Fault tolerance. gRPC supports idempotent operations and provides mechanisms like retry policies, rate limiting, and circuit breakers to enhance system reliability. Security. gRPC uses HTTP2 over SSL/TLS for secure data transmission and supports various authentication methods to prevent unauthorized access. Streaming. gRPC's streaming capabilities allow for efficient data transfer in scenarios involving large datasets, supporting server-to-client, client-to-server, or bidirectional streaming. While REST is widely used and offers flexibility with data formats and universal browser support, gRPC is preferred for low-latency, multi-language environments. gRPC's use of HTTP2 enables faster communication and streaming, which REST can struggle with. However, REST's compatibility with browsers is an advantage over gRPC, which may require additional tools for browser communication. gRPC is ideal for performance-critical and scalable environments, and for server-to-server communication. It excels in polyglot development environments due to its interoperability. To demonstrate the practical application of Go gRPC microservices in a real-world scenario, we embark on building an e-commerce product using these technologies. As depicted in Figure 1.1, the project will be automated through a comprehensive CI/CD pipeline and deployed on a Kubernetes environment. This book will also provide production-grade examples, including a complete project implementation, code snippets, automation guidelines, artifact preparation procedures, and security best practices.
Get this book at manning.com